Greetings to our viewers. In this video, we'll show you how to change your batteries in the Paradox PMD85 wireless outdoor motion sensor. In this video, we'll deal with the latest PMD85 version. Older versions, earlier than 2010, may have slightly different screw configurations in the lens covers. Changing your batteries in the PMD85 at least every 2 years is important, as batteries tend to leak out after extended use. They then cause a reaction on the terminals of the battery pack inside, which then spreads to the PC board and damages the sensor permanently. The PMD85 has 2 screws in the front of the lens casing. These need to be loosened before the casing can be pried loose. There is a rubber silicone gasket around the front lid, which forms a tight seal to the back casing. You can use one hand to firmly grasp the back casing while using the other hand to lift the front lens casing away. The battery pack is located on top of the sensor inside. It is connected to the circuitry by means of a small 2-pin plug with a red and black wire. Using the 2 fingers holding the small plug, pull the plug out of the socket on the PC board. Inspect the plug and socket for any corrosion, usually indicated by a discoloration with a black or green tinge. Now hold onto the battery pack and slide the battery pack towards you. Remove the old batteries and check to see if any corrosion has formed on the terminals inside the battery pack. If it has already occurred, you can clean the battery pack using warm soapy water and an old toothbrush. If the corrosion has already caused damage to the wire leading down to the plug, it's best to replace the battery pack completely. These are available from your supplier. If the battery pack is still good, replace with 3 new AA batteries. Be sure to put each battery in the correct way. Look carefully inside the battery pack. Each battery has its polarity marked. It's always best to use high quality batteries. In South Africa, we here at Aztec Security like to use Duracell and Energizer brands of batteries for servicing. Try to avoid mixing batteries of different batches or different brands. Insert your battery pack with the new batteries back into the sensor the same way you removed it. Make sure the side grooves line up with a piece of plastic of the battery pack that will guide it into position. We will now need to connect the plug back into the socket. Note it can only fit in one way. A very important feature of the PMD85 is to disable the red status LED, which will turn on each time it senses movement. Turning it off will not affect the sensor's operation in any way, but instead it will help to prolong the life of the new batteries and not waste energy. This feature is controlled using dip switch 1 on the PC board. We'll turn the light on though temporarily, just to make sure the batteries are connected correctly and the sensor is working. We can see the LED has got power, therefore our battery replacement was successful. You can now turn the LED feature off again by turning dip switch 1 off. We now need to replace the front lens cover of the sensor. Make sure the silicone gasket around the edge is not damaged in any way. Carefully place the front lens over the back cover, making sure the gasket lines up properly and is not pinched anywhere between the two covers. Complete your battery change by tightening both screws in the front lens cover again. Thank you for watching our tutorial. We hope it helped you out. Be sure to like the video and tell us if it helped you. We will be posting similar videos on how to change the batteries in other wireless security products, including full servicing and configuring these sensors. Thanks for watching.